Students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This question is from chapter Circle exercise 10.2, question number 8. And this question can be asked in two ways. First is, a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. Or a circle touching all four sides of the quadrilateral ABCD. Prove that AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. Now if you see this diagram here, this is a quadrilateral and circumscribing a circle, and the point of contact is AB, BC, CD and AD are the tangents, because these are touching this circle at one point only. So for AB, point of contact is P, this for BC it is Q, for CD it is R, and for AD it is S. Now we are using the property here, the length of the tangent from external point is equal. So if we are considering this point A, so AP and AS are the tangents. So we will write here, because length of the tangent is equal, so AP equals to AS. Similarly for point B, BP and BQ are the tangents, so we will write here BP equals to BQ. And in this case, especially remember one thing, that if we are starting from AB, this is the tangent, so you will for the second case you will take the opposite side, that is CD. So now for CD, if D is the point of external point, then the tangents DS and DR will be equal. But remember here one thing, that if we are using AP, so we will take for this point first DR. So DR we are taking to left side. If you are taking opposite, then you have to do the conversion afterward, some changes. So remember this thing, that first we are taking AP, then opposite side we will take AR. This is 2. So AP and AR, they should be on the same side. Similarly, when we are talking about point C, so CR and CQ will be equal. So we are writing first CR and then CQ. These are equal because these are the length of tangent from external point. Now this is very simple now, but you have to remember this thing, that if you are writing AP and BP, this AP and BP will come on the left side, and similarly DR and CR, this should become on left side. So it will be easy to prove the rest, otherwise you have to do some changes in the calculation. So now what we will do here, we will add these all four sides, these four equations. So we are adding left side, first. So here AP plus BP plus DR plus CR, because this is the equality. So sum of the left hand side should be equal to sum of the right hand side. So here it is AS plus BQ plus DS plus CQ. So because these four equations are equal, so this is the equality, sum will be equal. Now here if you see here, AP plus BP, that will be AB plus DR plus CR, that will be CD, equals to AS and with this DS, AS and DS, AS plus DS, that will become AD, and then BQ plus CQ, that become BC. So this is the result that we want to prove, and it is very easy if you write in this way. Otherwise you have to do some arrangement after this. So this is the simple calculation, simple result for this question. Now in continuity, this is the question number 11 of same exercise and same results we are using here. The question is, prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. So now in the previous case ABCD is a quadrilateral, but here now in this case ABCD is a parallelogram. So same conditions what we are using here, AP equals to BP, then AP equals to AS, BP equals to BQ, then DR equals to DS, and CR equals to CQ. These are the same condition here, and when we are adding these, we will get here AP plus BP plus DR plus CR equals to AS plus BQ plus DS plus CQ, and the result what we are getting here, that AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. Now this was the result in the previous question also. This is the same, we are getting up to here, this is the same result. Now the condition of parallelogram we are using here, that this ABCD is a parallelogram, and the condition of parallelogram is that opposite sides are equal. Opposite side means that AB equals to CD, AB equal to CD, and AD, the opposite side of AD is BC, so AD equals to BC. So this condition of opposite side which are equal we are using here. So AB and CD are equal, so we can write here that AB plus CD we are changing with AB, AB plus AB. Similarly here also we can change BC to AD because both the sides are equal, so AD. So now it become AB plus AB is double of AB, AD plus AD is double of AD. So this cancel, it means AB equals to AD. If AB equals to AD, so if you see in this parallelogram, if AB and AD are equal, AB is this side, AD is this side, means if adjacent sides of a parallelogram are equal, then this parallelogram will be a rhombus, because this is the condition of rhombus, that adjacent sides are equal. So here, because adjacent sides are equal, so ABCD is a rhombus. So this we need to prove, and this is the proof that why this is a rhombus. So these were two questions which where we are using the same type of results, only the difference of the property in the second. So these were very important questions of this chapter, circle. Thank you.